We'll put this all on in the Broadtone sound, so add a round of applause for these guys as well. This is a world-class event. Thank you so much. Pass over, I'll hold stuff for you. We're need me to hold. Pass over to Ray.
How's everybody doing tonight? Thanks for coming to our party. We're going to start off with a tradition we started last year, and I guess now that we've done it twice, it's now a tradition. So we had an invitational sauce competition where we invited some teams to bring in amateur sauces and present them to our panel of judges. And last year, small competition, but the defending champions from last year were the paramedics of Grey County Emergency Medical Services. So let's hear it for Grey County's paramedics. This year, Grey County paramedics had a few challengers. They included Country 93, one of our new sponsors this year, included 92.3 The Dog, and as well we had Owen Police Services represented. And they have a few fans here apparently. Yay! I am pleased to announce that our 2012 second annual VIP Invitational Sauce Competition winner is 92.3 The Dog. And Kathleen's going to accept that on behalf of the fine people, our Nicole, Johnny, go ahead and present that.
Let's make it official.
Tell him to get it.
Gets him whenever he can.
More like creepy, but it's pretty cool.
There we go. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're going to do the rest of the trophies here. So now we're getting into the judge competition of the professional ribbers. They were judged three categories by the judges: best chicken, best ribs, and best sauce. So we're going to start with runner-up for best sauce. And our runner-up for best sauce from Motley, Texas Rangers. And accepting for his team is Gus. Runner-up for best sauce. Thank you, Gus.
One sec. One more picture.
One more picture there.
Hang on. Trying to do two things at once here. One sec. Trying to do this with one hand. Hang on.
I'll be up in a second again, don't worry.
All right.
And our winner in the category of best sauce from Alabama, Camp 31. And accepting on behalf of his team is Bernie. Bernie Grill.
Thank you, guys. Bernie. Oh, we're in for a shot.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Great. And then moving to the category of best chicken. So our runner-up for best chicken, Fat Boys. Accepting is Tina. Keep calm and rib on. Great, thank you.
Nice shot.
And then we're moving to best chicken. And we need to mention as well too, some of these even the judged competition, extremely close results. Very close. The winner for best chicken, Krabby's BBQ Shack. And accepting is George.
Thank you.
And then now moving to the ribs, and it's the ribs that brings everybody down for the party. Runner-up for best ribs, Texas Rangers.
Woo!
Show them both off, Gus. Awesome. Thank you. Congratulations. And then we move on to Best Ribs. 2012 second annual Owen Sound Ribfest. Best Ribs. Camp 31.
Let's do it, Bernie.
Yeah, let's do it.
Come on, Bernie.
Awesome.
Congratulations. Thank you. And us.
And this is the big one. This is the one that the Ribbers want. This is People's Choice, and this is as voted by you from Friday until Sunday at 2 p.m. These are your ballots, your selection as People's Choice 2012 second annual Owen Sound Ribfest. People's Choice, Boss Hogs. Oh, sorry, mix up there. Camp 31. Someone said I should say that.
We'll hold this one too for you. You got them all? Yep.
Can I have all my winners, my Ribber winners? Can I have them all down here? We're gonna do a few photos. Right where you are, Gus, is good. All my Ribbers together. And let's hear it for these 5 fantastic teams. Fat Boys Barbecue from Milwaukee, Camp 31 from Alabama, Grabby's Barbecue Shack from London, Ontario, Texas Rangers from Motley, Texas, and Billy Bones from Fort Erie, Ontario. Let's hear it for them. All fantastic meals there. Thank you. We'll get back to Johnny now.
Thank you, Ray. And what about a thank you to Ray and Nicole, who brought this event to Owen Sound 2 years in a row. Can I get a round of applause and cheer for them as well? Bring it to Owen Sound.
Oh, we'll have the People's Choice come up for a quick little victory speech.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome this year's People's Choice Award winner from Camp 31. Please welcome Bernie Grill. Bernie Grill. There you go.
All right. People's Choice happens because people attend. Thanks Owen Sound for an awesome Ribfest. Because of you guys, this stuff keeps happening. We want to thank the organizers. It's a great show. We're coming back next year. Thanks.
That's Bernie Grill right there. People's Choice Award winner. Thank you to all the Ribbers. As I mentioned before, fantastic food. We thank you all for coming to Owen Sound and being a part of this.